If you have been fortunate enough and successful enough to be leaving things to your kids when you're gone, boy, the way that with which you plan that can make an enormous difference in the outcome for them. My name is Roxane Webster. I'm with my home team at Keller Williams Advantage. I'm not only a real estate agent, I'm your real estate planner. And I love having this conversation. Um, just one little aspect is that the difference between just one question of when it is that you give your house to your kids. Do you give your house to your kids before you pass away? Do you give your house to your kids after you pass away? That one decision can make the difference in huge amounts of taxes that your kids would or would not have to pay. I'm not a CPA, I'm not an attorney, but I'll tell you, I work with a lot of great CPAs and great attorneys who can help take your individual situation right now and what you want with it for your kids or your heirs and make sure that that is put together in such a way that it's got the best outcome for them possible. I'd love to have this conversation with you. Again, I'm Roxane Webster, your real estate planner.